Le Wagon turned artificial intelligence from hype into work that I can actually ship now. My name is Antoine Vaissié and I'm an alumni from Le Wagon. I did the web development bootcamp on a part-time basis while keeping my job, and I work in cloud computing sales at Google. It was fantastic. It was hard work, but I think what it did is that it gave me a minimal skill stack, being able to read errors, understand what is HTTP, what is JSON. I wanted to understand the developer persona a little bit better. Definitely SQL is something that I use quite a lot, where previously I had to ask a business analyst to pull a report for me. Today I use Gemini and the Gemini command line interface to do scripts, troubleshoot errors, but you still need to understand how the developer works. Now I routinely push code which I find useful up to GitHub, where I would use a spreadsheet to build a return on investment calculator. I can now build something with a Python function. AI can generate code, sure, but even if you're generating code, you still need to understand the basics of web development. And I think people who skip that step will never be able to code anything robust. The Gemini command line interface is a command line interface. If you've never coded, you don't know what the command line interface is. Same for codecs. It's also a command line interface. Same for Claude Code. Le Wagon has acted as a very strong accelerator for me on my journey, because it equipped me with those minimal skills to be able to really seize the opportunity that we have today with AI. Something else that was very memorable about the bootcamp were the people, of course, that I was with. You know, we were elbow to elbow for 6 months, because it's a very demanding and intensive program. And I made some friends, you know, that I still keep in touch with. I was quite impressed by, you know, the dedication and the caliber of the people who attended the course. The demo day, which was quite high pressure. We had to deliver a project because we were working in teams. I really enjoyed that. It was very memorable.